Tell me, what are you most scared of? Looking at your bank balance, or what people are going to think of you seeing you on social media doing this business? My bank balance scared me more at the end of the day. So I decided to give it a go and start my own digital online business. And every time I'm posting, I am getting more comfortable and comfortable. Everyone who started with digital marketing was scared. Everyone was afraid to show their face on social media. Everyone is scared that no one is going to buy from them. We all started scared. But as I say, my bank balance scared me even more. Now, if that is you, and you want to change your financial situation as in today, and especially before the December holidays, comment yes, and I will send you the free info on how I started and how I am making $1 income from my home using social media. Have a lovely weekend.